CDW is a Fortune 500 company with $20+ billion in revenue. We provide IT solutions to our customers through hardware, software, services, and other IT solutions. As you think of CDW, we are really executing on our strategy to grow, to expand. With that, we decided it was about time to upgrade our ERP system to be able to support that growth, that scale. If I reflect back to kind of our legacy process, it was involved with a lot of manual efforts. You spent a lot of time extracting data, manually manipulating data, and the experience for the coworker just wasn't there. Workday really hit a lot of what we were looking for, which was a cloud-based platform that had the ability to connect in with our HR people information, the ability to connect in with adaptive financial planning, and really kind of gave good flexibility and adaptability to kind of meet our needs as the customer. We really needed to bring in a partner that had the expertise in Workday to make sure that we implemented in the right way that was going to be effective for us. What made Deloitte stand out in that process was their implementation approach.
Deloitte has been an official partner with Workday for the past 16 years. The power of partnership between Deloitte, Workday, and CDW, we brought together sort of the best of each of the three of the parties to really get to the right outcomes for our clients.
Now that we're live with Workday, I would say the coworker experience has definitely changed. They are seeing the automation in the tool, the capabilities of the tool, and a lot of that negative experience that they had before has now been eliminated. As I think about this year's Workday Rising, one of the things I'm really excited about is listening and hearing more about kind of the roadmap and how is Workday thinking about AI.
Workday is releasing Illuminate and all of the rich AI features that are coming out over the course of the next year. And CDW is ripe for now taking advantage of all of those features and really getting from an optimized finance function to an AI-enabled finance function.